since she now is officially a Tiffany Jewelry ambassador. She had a beautiful photo shooting with them, and there was one specific look that I just fell in love with. Her hair swoops to the side and she is wearing that very elegant yet natural glowy makeup almost, and I just thought it was the most beautiful look ever. I feel like there is almost like a signature look with Rosé whenever she shoots with either YSL or Tiffany. You know, mainly black clothing, gold accessories, and just very classic, elegant makeup. Very much different as to what we see on stage or like during the do era. She had more straight brows. It was more about elongating the eye, whereas now it's more about a almost cat eye look. And I think it's just more elegant. It just fits the entire campaign pictures and stuff much better. Not to say that any other makeup style doesn't fit her. Everything fits her. Like, how is that even possible? Without further ado, let's get right into it.
vibration is such a high vibration and so pure that if you practice it, the universe has.
And we're done, my friends. We are finally finished. I have to say what took me the longest was definitely my hair. Not because I had to straighten it, but to get this side swoop situation. I don't know why it took me so long and it's still like very uncomfortable. I think it's because my hair is too short, so it kind of like wants to droop down and not stay behind my ears. I gave it my best. And I really think that with gold accessories, this look is an entire different story, especially then with the black clothing. I think it brings everything together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming this. I usually don't wear this much makeup, so it was pretty cool for me as well to see how I look with a little bit more. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.